Alright, this is a request from Kathy. She's Laotian. She's Laos. She asked me to make a Lao stir-fried noodle, which is called Khaw mee. Okay, if I can remember it that way. Alright, for Laotian stir-fried noodle, they call Khaw mee. I got here rice noodle. I soak in warm water about 30 minutes. I got oyster sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, fish sauce, or a lot of people call nampa, dark soy, okay, and sugar. A lot of people call namtaan. And this is egg. They call it kai, or this kai. Okay, not kai. Kai is my name, not kai. And green onion, and last but not least, bean sprouts. Alright, first let's chop up the garlic, or you can use shallot if you want to. Then you want to chop up the tomatoes, Roman tomato or cherry tomato. It's optional. A lot of people use it, some don't. Alright, next you want to crack an egg, okay? And you want to whisk them with a fork or chopstick. Chopstick, that's Chinese, but hey, it's okay. A lot of people use it too. Done. Alright, in the frying pan or wok, set the heat in medium high. Add in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I use vegetable oil, by the way. Okay, I mean Corona oil. Turn on a bit. And you want to deep fry the eggs. And fry the eggs. Alright, after the egg done, turn it off. Let's go chop them up. Oh, it's still hot. Got to eat it first. And you want to slice them like noodles, you know, but flat noodle, about half an inch wide. Too hot. Alright, in a pan, or you can use a wok. In a pan, set the heat medium high, and add in oil. I use vegetable oil, but in this two Lao cooking, they use a pork fat. They call it naman mu. Stir a little bit. Alright, then you want to add in garlic. Stir a little bit. Then you want to add in tomato. Tomato is optional, but it can also give you that redness color and thicken the noodle a little bit. Alright, at this point you can add in any kind of meat you have, like chicken or pork or beef if you want, even shrimp. Okay, now we're going to make sauce out of it. Put in oyster sauce. Fish sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. In Lao, they call it chill. Until they became a little bit thickened, but not too thick. And add in noodles. And you want to stir and mix them. Okay. Alright, after you stir a noodle a little bit, add in dark soy to give you that golden color, brown color. Alright, after everything is done, add the eggs. Okay, don't stir fry them, just turn everything off for now, and then garnish with chop, green onion, and bean sprouts. A little bit. And that's it, it's done. Let's go serve this bad boy. Here you go, your Lao stir-fry noodle. They call it Khaw. I want to touch it up with lamb, or they call it Mac Now. This is Khai. I say Spidey Nong Sao.
ยางลงทงยางลงทาไปกับมา